If you're watching this, it means you want some relief from motion sickness, morning sickness, chemotherapy, post-operative nausea, retching, and vomiting, which means there's no time to waste, so let's get right to it. Start by finding the right spot on the underside of your wrist. All you have to do is place your index and middle fingers at the base of your wrist, starting at the crease furthest from your elbow. The area directly next to your index finger is the right location. Reliefband will work on either wrist. That's right, or that's left. Either one. Apply a drop of gel to your wrist and spread it in a circle roughly the size of a large coin. Make it an even sheen. You feel that motion sickness? That cool gel is the beginning of the end. Hold the Reliefband by the contact assembly and place the contacts onto the gel on the underside of your wrist. Then fasten the device snugly. Relief is now just a push of a button away. Any last words, motion sickness? Too bad, we don't want to hear them. To turn it on, just press and hold the power on-off button on your Reliefband 2.0 for 1.5 seconds. To turn the therapy on, push the power up button and adjust to the most comfortable setting. You should feel a slight tingling in your palm and/or middle fingers. That's the feeling of Reliefband working, and nausea meeting its demise. You're ready to go. When you're all finished, just hold the power on-off button for 1.5 seconds to turn it off. Now go enjoy your relief from motion sickness, and we'll tell Ralph not to expect your call. Reliefband. Live life in full motion.